Hi all, I'm going to give you a presentation on email marketing. So what is email marketing? It's sending commercial messages to potential customers' inboxes. There are commonly, the different emails are categorized under three different categories, which are marketing, operational, and transactional emails. And as the word tells, the marketing emails are the most relevant from email marketing's perspective, although operational and transactional emails also may contribute to it. So what operational email means it's an email that pictures a way to communicate something that is essential for customers, and these can be delivered even to customers who have opted out of marketing communications. And transactional email illustrates an email which is automated, so between the sender and the person who receives it. So recipient and subscription lists are definitely very important from the email marketing's point of view, and the personalization especially is a crucial issue. So first of all, there has to be a permission for sending a commercial email, and these recipient lists are often based on the client's desires and the choices they have made previously. So why is email marketing important? Well, the number of sent promotional emails is growing constantly. There were 3.9 billion active users in 2019, and it's estimated to go up to 4.2 billion by the next 2 years. And the return on investment is especially high, with 4,200%. So that means that on average, every dollar spent generates $42 of revenue. So it's essential for businesses to succeed. Essential is to have an email marketing strategy and concentrate on making the company's email marketing better to build trust and develop reliability, raise brand awareness, grow sales, strengthen the relations with customers. So impact on the future of digital marketing, to mention some on that. So the personalization is likely to come even more emergent within other subsections of digital marketing also, but definitely with email marketing, because more and more email will be seen as spam because of the growing number of email users. So trends shaping the future email marketing, those would be cloud-based technology, machine learning, artificial intelligence, interactivity, and consistency across mobile devices. And the user input, the user-generated content is an important factor, because the world is shifting toward a direction where consumers will have the access to numerous products and services more effortlessly and conveniently than ever. So that is important. Thank you.